Yeah.
This is Jonah. He gets to be the one to try out the new fence. And he's loving it. Thanks to all the people who bought t-shirts from our Amazon store. We now have play area 1, and over there's play area 2. For the dogs to run and play, get their zoomies out.
Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh, almost. Good boy.
Hopefully this will wear them out so they'll relax when they're in the cage and the runs in the building.
Oh, get it. Good boy.
I think he likes it.